So we have arrived in the Acropolis. At the minute I'm just walking around. It's like an entire little loop, but everybody's gone pretty much around this way. I thought I might as well do the long trek round to avoid the queues. It was pretty easy. I bought a ticket online and then just scanned it through. I guess we're just gonna have to see. There's quite a lot of people here on like group tours and stuff, and there's quite a lot of people listening to the audio. I thought I paid for that, but obviously not, because I don't know, so I guess we're just gonna have to just read. But never mind. Oh well. Honestly, there's so much history here. This is sick. This is so cool. This is mad. There's so much to see. And all the stones have so much detailing to them. I'll show you guys in a bit. It's pretty cool. It's really interesting. And reading the stones as well, like tell you a little bit about the history. I would have preferred having the audio. You kind of know what you're looking at a little bit more. But never mind, we move. Sickest thing is that one. They're just there. Like, that's so cool. I think the cool thing about also this is that everything gets lit up at night as well, which I've seen pictures of it. I'm staying like 2 minutes away, so I've actually seen pictures of this get lit up at night. But I'd be sick to come here at night as well and experience it. I imagine you could get some amazing views from this place. So we're heading to the Acropolis now, which I'm really excited about. This is the main line to get to it all. It's pretty sick how this is just the view. Should be good. Hopefully it's not too busy. And this is from the main view. The gates are literally just there to get to the Acropolis. Look at the made it, and it's definitely like the picture. There's so many people here. I wish I came when I woke up at like 8 a.m. We are still really close to it. Crazy. It's very busy though. It's extremely busy. It's so busy. Definitely wish I came a little bit earlier. Maybe come a bit earlier in the day.
Yes. One thing that I did actually hear that these white bits are actually like put there, so that it's an actual renovation. I'm guessing this must have fallen down and then they've put the white bit there, which is pretty mad.
So we're now going to go back to the hostel because I'm super duper hot. Yeah, it was so hot up there because you're obviously right at the top. So I'm going to go back to the hostel, get showered, maybe change, and then maybe go out for food a little later. Definitely have to go and maybe plan something else to do. Something else that's not too expensive whilst we're here in Athens, because this is my last day, unfortunately. But I have no idea where we are, to be honest. I think we came out the other side, so I'm just kind of walking this way, hoping for the best, because I have no idea. I feel like we came out a bit further down to where I've come out from. I think I've came out of a different entrance, or exit, I mean. Yeah, it is so hot. And I think Friday's meant to be hitting like around 40 as well, so